To begin stringing our pipe band tenor sticks, you will need a set of oval laces, and these can be bought from any pipe band supplier or can be bought in your local sports shop. Oval laces are much better for flourishing with, as they're much more comfortable and tend to tangle up less. So we take the tenor stick, we set it over the top of our round oval laces, creating a loop at one end and holding on to the strings at the other. We now take the strings and put them through the loop so that we create this shape. We then ensure that we pull the laces through the loop so that we have a nice tight knot on the end of the ball of the stick, and we ensure that we pull that knot nice and tight so that it doesn't come off at the ball of the tenor stick. Now what we do is in order to get the right length in the tenor stick, we take our hand and we place our hand in through the tenor stick like so. And we pinch the end nearest our small finger, and then we remove our hand from the string itself. Doing that now, we have this on the tenor stick. The next thing we have to do is now tie a knot on this end of the stick. Like so. So we're left with this. Now our next move is to properly put the string on, or the stick on our hands. So what we do is we start with our small finger first of all, and we put our small finger in through the loop, the knot end of the stick here, like so. Then taking the rest of the stick and the string, and we twist it, creating another loop. We then take our third finger and put it in through the string here. Then it's in behind the second finger and over the first. So once we're happy now with the length of the tenor stick, the next thing we need to do is trim the ends of the stick itself. Okay, so like this, and it's a good idea not to cut these too short in case you later want to readjust the sticks themselves. Allowing or leaving for about an inch or so on the end of the tenor sticks themselves. So now that we've got to grips with stringing the tenor stick, the next thing we have to manage the correct hand placement. So in order to do this, the stick simply rests on the middle bit of your first finger. Okay, just on there like so. And now what we do is we place our thumb on top of the finger like that. And the next thing is these fingers curl round so that we grab it almost like in a fist-like formation. Okay, so we do the same thing then on the left hand. And this is the correct hand and beater position for your tenor sticks.